Hello everyone, my name is Bhavya Goyal and I am studying in class 12th in Modern Academy, Lucknow. I have joined the 2-year medical course in Aakash Coaching Institute, Hazratganj campus, Lucknow. As we all know, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, classroom teaching has come to a standstill. But I am very pleased to say that Aakash Institute has started this amazing initiative of online classes. We have online classes 3 days a week for about 4 hours each day. And during these classes, we are able to hear the teachers clearly, whatever they're explaining us, and see them and also what they're writing on the whiteboard. Thus, it feels as if we are just in a classroom. It is not just a one-sided lecture because the students are also able to interact with the teachers, ask their doubts while the class is proceeding. And the teachers can also ask us questions to see if we've understood everything that they have explained. Thus, it feels as if we're just in a classroom. The study material is, because we're not getting the study material directly from the coaching institute, it has been made available to us in the form of ebooks on the Aakash iTutor app, from where we can revise the chapters and solve the assignments and questions related to them. We have regular doubt sessions scheduled where we can ask our doubts from the teacher. I'm very thankful to our campus academic head, Mr. Sachin Mishra, for organizing these online classes and bringing together everyone, including the faculty and the students. I'm also very thankful to our batch mentor, Shraddha ma'am, who moderates these online classes and helps us if any of us have any network issues, and also maintains discipline throughout the class. I feel that there is nothing lacking in my studying because I am able to interact with the teacher, solve questions and ask my doubts whenever needed to. Thus, I'm very thankful to Aakash Institute for being able to help us study even while the COVID-19 pandemic is going on.